Thank you everyone. Today I discuss about respiration and rusting. Respiration and rusting both are the process of oxidation, and this oxidation is done by oxygen itself. Now first of all, what is respiration? Respiration is the oxidation of food, and it takes place inside the living cell to produce carbon dioxide and water vapor with energy. So the process in which oxygen reacts with simplest food inside the cell must be it is living cell to form carbon dioxide, water vapor and energy. This process is called respiration. Here C6H12O6, it is the simplest food, glucose. Oxygen reacts with it to produce carbon dioxide, water and energy. This is the respiration. Now the process of rusting. What is rusting? It is also the oxidation of iron, and also it is known as the degradation of iron. Here the new substance is formed is the ferric oxide, but some molecule of water is attached with it. That is why it is known as hydrated ferric oxide. When you leave an iron object in a moist air for a long time, then a reddish brownish coating is appeared on the iron object. This reddish brownish coating is known as rust. Actually, the chemical name of this rust is hydrated ferric oxide. The formula is Fe2O3.XH2O. X means any number of water molecules attached with ferric oxide. Now how we define the rusting? The process of degradation of iron due to its contact with oxygen and moisture is called rusting. When iron comes contact with oxygen in presence of moisture, it forms Fe2O3.XH2O, and it is known as the moisture, and it is the color is brown, reddish brown. This is the rust. Now the essential conditions for rusting must be the presence of oxygen and presence of moistures. If any one of them is not present, then rust does not take place. That means rusting does not take place. This is the rusting. Rusting and respiration both are the chemical procedures. Now use of oxygen. What is the use of oxygen? First of all, oxygen is a life supporting gas. Oxygen is a life supporting gas, and it is vital for respiration of living organisms. Without oxygen, life is not possible. Now oxygen is used for preparing carbogen. What is carbogen? Carbogen is a mixture of 90% oxygen with 5% carbon dioxide. That means a mixture of 95% oxygen and 5% carbon dioxide is known as carbogen, and this carbogen is used for artificial respiration. Now, liquid oxygen, which is known as LOX, all are capital. L means liquid, OX means oxygen. This liquid oxygen is used as rocket propellant. What do you mean by propellant? But what is the function of liquid in rocket? Generally, in rocket, liquid hydrogen is used as fuel. But oxygen needs some helper to burn. This liquid oxygen or LOX helps liquid hydrogen to burn, to produce heat energy. This is the function of LOX or liquid oxygen in the rocket. Now, oxygen is also used for preparing oxyacetylene flame or oxyhydrogen flame. In oxyacetylene flame, here the acetylene gas burns and oxygen helps to burn acetylene to produce a greater amount of heat, nearly 3200 degrees centigrade temperature. Also, in case of oxyhydrogen flame, hydrogen burns and oxygen helps to burn and produce 2500 degrees centigrade temperature nearly. These two flames, oxyacetylene flame or oxyhydrogen flame, both are used for cutting and welding of metal. Now, the third or last one, a mixture of oxygen and nitrous oxide is used as a anesthesia gas. That means nitrous oxide and oxygen, these two gases are mixed to produce a anesthesia gas. Now the chapter oxygen, that means oxygen gas for standard class 7 is finished. Now some questions. Try to give the answer of these questions. First question: which inert gas is not present in our atmosphere? Second question: which layer absorbs ultraviolet ray? Third question: which gas can turn clear lime water milky? Number 4: at which electrodes hydrogen gas is produced at the time of electrolysis of water? Which type of catalyst decrease the speed of chemical reaction? Question number 6: name the catalyst used in the time of laboratory preparation of oxygen. Next, fill up the gaps. Boiling point of liquid oxygen is dash degree centigrade. Number 8: metallic oxide is generally dash in nature, but non-metallic oxide is generally dash in nature. Fill up these two gaps by acidic or basic. Now, what is the meaning of LOX? All are capital LOX. Thank you. Try to give the answer as early as possible.